Scott from DTF Tech Gurus. We're going to touch real quick today on computer requirements for the X5 from Imperial. When you think about digital printing and what the computer needs to be doing, most people take it for granted, but it's going to be printing full speed. It's also going to be running the interface. You're probably going to be spooling, nesting, and ripping files at the same time. And then I always see multiple tabs open down here on the bottom of the screen. It's usually a couple of internet pages. It's an email, shop software, management software. There's a lot going on. And in order to keep everything moving and doing a good job without compromising anything, we prefer to build the computer and include it right in with the package for Imperial, so that when we come and set up your system, we know exactly what we're working with. So let me give you a rundown. The computer's sitting back here, but it's just a box. What's really important about it is the specs, right? We'll run Windows 11 Pro, not Home, strictly for networking reasons. We run a partition hard drive. It's a 3 terabyte hard drive. So the OS and all the programs, we prefer to put on the 1 terabyte partition. And then any file storage, we put on the 2 terabyte partition. So we're really separating some of the network traffic in the workflow. We also run one of the the best processors at that time, right? So right now we're doing an i9 17 core. I prefer to put in bare minimum 32, but I like to put in 64 gigs of RAM. The graphics card's not really super important, but when you look at all of those components, they're not inexpensive, right? You can probably, if you build your PCs, you know what you can buy all these components for. If you decide to go with a lesser, smaller computer, you can certainly run this with a lot less, but you're gonna have problems. You're gonna have freezing issues. It's gonna lock up. This particular system only connects with a USB 3.0 connection. So bare minimum, you would need to have that. This one comes with a NIC card with 4 ports, plenty of USB 3.0s, USB-C. It's the latest and greatest. It's the biggest computer we can build. And don't quote me on the price. I believe, they're around 4,000-ish. I'm sure you can build one for less, but we're not going to go through all that hassle for free. So bare minimum, make sure you've got something super, super close to that. Don't try and run it from a laptop. Don't grab an old office computer and try to hotwire it and get it over here. Do yourself some justice and pair it up with a really nice computer.